NANKY and Sarkodie on a tune. And I have the man NANKY in the studio. How you doing, man?
I'm good.
Bro, you're looking fly.
Thanks, man.
Bro, what's this? Oh, man. Bro, looking colorful, bright.
Thanks,
the
man.
brother's glowing. What have you been up to? Sheesh. Yeah. Charlie, you have to big up your brothers when they're doing it right.
Charlie,
you know, bro, what have you
they
been
will
up
always
to?
big you up.
Oh, nah, me, I don't shoot
always
though.
like this.
Ah, wow, they
Hey,
shoot.
my G.
All be there hiding, oh.
Yeah.
Shooting at shit, so they sound kind
What else? Which one side?
Bro, what have you been up to, man? It's good to see you.
Charlie, a day. Thanks, my G.
How's music been? How's work, you know, personal, everything else, man?
It's been tough. It's never been easy. But I mean, still we did tough, right? Yeah. So I've been working, and for some time now, I've been hidden.
Oh, yeah.
True.
You know, when you're coming through today, we got a couple of messages, and most of them, like, from your fans, were like, oh, I miss NANKY.
Yeah.
When is NANKY dropping new music?
Yeah.
When you get those messages, I'm sure they're quite exciting, but in retrospect, is it, like, also, like, difficult to deal with, knowing the fact that people want more of you, and maybe at that time, you're not giving it to them as much?
You know, most of the times, it comes with this managerial works, you know, sometimes what's and what's not to do.
Okay.
And sometimes to, you know, something personal, you have to just go back, re-strategize, and then come back stronger. So that's pretty much what happened. But then, more music are coming, and me, if I hear stuff like that, it ginger me.
Yeah,
because
I can imagine.
I have a bunch of songs. I have headache songs.
Yeah.
So things like this are kind of soft for me. So I like to hear those stuff.
You like to hear those things.
Yeah, and right now we are ready for that thing. That's the agenda now,
so,
back to back.
In that process, right, of not releasing music, what have you learned the most about yourself, about the industry, and what would you do differently if you would do something differently?
Okay, so I learned to stay true to myself, to my style. I have to always stay original. I don't have to always chase what other people are doing. I mean, sometimes you have to chase.
Yeah, I get what
business-wise.
Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, the originality has to be there. Even when you are chasing something, it has to, you know, they always have to be that your signature.
Yeah.
Yes, and also now I'm always different, because I mean, I realize we don't have much people writing in this time. So I try.
So you write your own music?
Yes, please.
Wow. Yeah. Well, that's incredible. I don't think writers get enough credit, though.
Yeah, they don't.
Here. But it's a very big deal to write a line, bro, to make something click, like, it's a very big deal. Why do you think writers here are not given as much credit, if I should say? Is it because of the artists are not given that credit, or it's just we don't speak about it?
I think it has to be divided, because the artists sometimes don't acknowledge the writers, and also we in general, we don't appreciate writers, because we are not focused on the writing, we are focused on the vibe. You get so the writing will go enter you unless somebody will know music finally say, hey, the boy did write before your mind will come to. Unlike some other parts.
Have you ever written for other artists before?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Why do you think there's also that conversation of, oh, if we write for you, that means that you don't get talent?
No.
Right?
Yeah, no.
Like,
some people too,
like, some people don't write.
They go feel right, but they don't go feel sing.
Exactly.
They must sing.
Some people know they perform.
So that thing there, you know,
so that doesn't bother you if somebody writes for you?
No, my mind day. If you come with be solid, that
solid, you go do it.
My mind day. That one day, if somebody way in mind day very low musically, if you go think that way. I mean, people way then be great, then get writers.
Yeah. Beyonce has writers. I mean, like, she's probably.
You
understand? Beyonce has writers, bro. If Beyonce has writers.
Beyonce alone say, Chris Brown, we all want a Chris Brown. Didn't write more times. So that one.
It seems like, you know, I'm sure if there are people in other industries, right, and they're watching this right now, us talking about writers would be like, that's like probably the most basic part of a music industry, a creative, because it's something that we should understand, right? I mean, there's contracts, there's setting up a stage, there's so many things, but in 2024, we're still trying to give writers credit. When we talk about things like these now, what I want to ask is, do you think that these are some of the reasons why, as an industry, as a people, as creatives, we're not where we want to be? Because we've not sorted out so many things. Are these part of the problems, or is just what it is?
It's parts, but it's very minor. The major side is the investors. We don't have much investors. Yeah, because there are a bunch of talents that are, you know, really good. I mean, sometimes you go feel listen to some boy in track, and you be like, hey, you know, Blue, Yeah, they like that. So the writing part, everything, we know say yeah, this and that they go on. We know they give credits, but that aside, we focus on this thing of the industry itself and say, oh, I mean, we forget investors, we forget people who they make ready.
Yeah. But let's have this conversation.
Yeah.
An investor always wants to make money. So they put money in something, hoping to get money out.
Yeah.
Us not having investors, if we're being honest with ourselves, is it because we're not doing enough? Because why would somebody see maybe this industry is so lucrative and not want to put money in it? Because we're calling them, bring money, bring money, bring money. But are we not giving them enough of a reason to bring that money?
You have a point, yes. My point exactly. Sometimes we just have to give them what they want to see or what they want to hear before they can. I mean, definitely, if you want to sell something to somebody, you can't be selling, for instance, you can't be selling pimples medicine where you get pimples for your hair. It will be something where you go make, you go come. So yeah, we have to work on our. No, Ghanaians, we are more focused on this favoritism thing.
Really?
It's not really helping. We have to be open because there are more people that have to be heard. Yeah, they have to come. Maybe if them go bring the investors and things, you get. Yeah, because right now, I be like everything make one-sided.
True.
Yeah, one-sided. We get some particular people there. If them drop, no, it shouldn't be that way.
Small God, I had a conversation with him, and he said the same thing. We were sitting here, and we said, why can't we have 10 black sheriffs in a year or 20 break? Why do we always have to have one breakthrough artist in a year? People do. Like, we're having these conversations, but like, what's the score? Like, why is it not happening?
That's what I said.
Like,
one thing, favoritism.
From the people or from the media?
From the media, no, I won't say the media. From the gatekeepers.
So you believe we have gatekeepers?
We do. Heavy ones though, but
they know they allow.
They know they allow. I don't know if they fear them my money or something. Because we get people with them day, but then favoritism. No. If this one
has that happened to you? I mean, not to be specific on any particular situation, but has NANKY, as big as you are now, you know, as a growing artist, have you ever been in a situation where you feel like you deserved more at this point, or this opportunity wasn't given to you as hard as you're working?
I've always deserved more, but I get less.
Oh, man.
And I'm not bothered because, I mean, everything comes with time, right? With time, everything will make sense. But, I mean, at a point, it gets frustrating. Because, I mean, you're putting a lot and then you're not getting anything, you know. At least they have to give you that ears. Like, yo, this boy did. We'll listen to him. You know something, make una put this boy on. I mean, I have a good team.
You do.
And I'm
Bro,
good
you
too.
do. Like, for real, you do.
Yeah, and I'm good. We have everything it takes.
The music is good. The videos are good.
Oh, don't worry. It will enter soon. We will give them. We're not going to make them go
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. So right now, all these things, I just jot them down.
Yeah, right.
Because I don't be that person where they take things personal. But this one, I will take them personal.
Yeah.
Because I mean, why you know?
Because your fans are taking these things personal, bro. Like I said, you were coming here. We got messages like, "We miss you." We got some messages like, "Oh, bro, NANKY deserves more, bro." It's like, and again, it can be exciting to hear that you have people who believe in you that much, but it can be heartbreaking when you're actually putting in the effort, but you're not getting that much. There's a very big disconnect.
You get. There's a point. I think I can't remember one time I dropped the song. It was almost there. And then one thing came, and I don't want to go into details, but one thing came, and then one big man called me, "Hey boy, I can't crave you."
Oh, man.
And I was like, yo.
Oh man. Yeah. You know, he's very calm about it. But it's crazy.
Yeah, very crazy. I'm calm because the confident.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know my capabilities.
Yeah.
I know what
Did it ever almost break you down?
I've been broken a couple of times.
Oh man.
Multiple times actually. Multiple times, because I mean, I know myself, I know what I'm capable of doing, I know what I can do and what I cannot do, and most definitely, I can definitely do everything when it comes to music. Yeah, I am there. It is me.
Yeah.
I am him.
You know it.
You get.
I like that. Bro, I like that.
There are some songs you don't worry. We can't drop heavy songs. You understand.
Bro, watching your video without even hearing the music is something to talk about. And it's not every video that can do that. You know, like you see what was put into it, the art direction. And if you're behind the scenes and you know the amounts of money that go into these things, artists don't even like to talk about how much money go into their videos again because
I mean, I think Duro, I will talk about that one. This fresh one. Duro, because I mean, too much money was too much money.
Tell me, man.
Yeah, $30-something thousand.
You put 30 something.
Yeah, just in the video.
$1,000.
Because we traveled out. We went
That's
to South
anywhere
Africa.
from 30 to 39,999.
Yes.
$1,000.
Yes. Yes, because we traveled out. South Africa, Cape Town.
Does anyone have like a calculator? I want
$30,000, like 400 and something thousand.
Ghana
almost
cedis.
400 and something.
Let's break it down. That's 4 billion, almost
Yes.
4 billion
old
old
currency.
Ghana cedis. That'd be 100,000. One,
Back
two,
four.
three, four. Plus change and some coins.
Yeah, other things don't count.
Bro, that's incredible.
Yeah. So we
For
put
somebody
in a
who's
lot.
watching this, right? Let's say there's an investor watching this, there's a fan watching this, there's an artist watching this. Looking at everything we spoke about before our $30,000 mark,
Yeah.
what keeps him going? Like something has to keep you going.
All thanks to God. I'm always grateful to God for my boss, because I mean, I don't know where I would have been without that man. And I'm always grateful again because he understands the business. He's been a musician before.
Yeah.
And he has invested. I think I'm not the first. I don't think I know. I'm not the first person he has invested in. A couple of artists. So he understands the work. And that alone, they give me some comfort. But me, I know they get that comfort because I for sure working.
Yeah.
You get? Yeah.
You feel like there's a lot you have to give back.
You get?
Yeah.
That be the pressure. Oh.
I get you.
Yeah, that pressure today, where your personal pressure today. So Charlie, me as I did, yeah. If you got to hold me.
Yeah, bro, like, bro, this is crazy. Like, you know, I'm very happy and I'm grateful, you know, as a creative that you're talking about this because we see these things where we say, oh, people don't invest. And investors say they don't feel appreciated. I'm sure you've heard these things before. But coming from a young artist now who's saying, he feels like he has so much to pay back. As hard as you're working. And bro, this is not like a guy who's not even working hard.
No. We're really working. Tirelessly. I mean, come on. Okay, some investors has this thing. I mean, they are mostly unfortunate. Yeah, so they mostly work with people that are not either ready or very disrespectful. Yeah, so we kind of let them not wanting to do more. Yeah, so I get them from their perspective, but I mean, with the suffer. With this music thing, you get bastard money. Yeah, so J your eye, then invest. Since the artist be good, forget you go pick. If you be good, you go pick. That be me, that be my motivation. That be what keeps me going. I'm good, I know it. Come on. Yeah, so yeah, it go enter.
Two things, man. I like that you've got so much confidence, and I like that you have such a great backing. And I like that you know what you're about. Because you can be confident, but you don't have direction.
Yeah, you have to be intentional.
But you know what you're about.
You have to be very intentional.
Bro, it's going to pay off.
Yeah,
like, it's heavy.
We go come back here and can't talk about that.
Yeah, bro, like, you know, the talk. When you win the Grammy, I go like come the stage top. I'll be my suit.
You come.
I did it. Then I'm like, I spoke about $30,000 and now it's paid off.
Yeah.
You know? But bro, like,
history, man.
I'm just more even than the work. I'm proud of the mindset you have.
Yeah, sure.
That with everything you're going through, right? Look at what we're talking about and the response, the energy that you have. The fact that you have laughter in you at this point. Because artists break down, man.
Charlie?
Bro,
me especially. I did break down, but I don't know. I be like John Wick. I always they bounce back. Yeah, because I know
that's a good example.
Charlie, by this time. To me, tough by this time. Also, you go self motivations. Be like you go just.
What do you want to tell young artists, man?
Believe in yourself. Work on yourself, and stay true to yourself. You see, say yourself are the use. Yes, it go pay off. You go understand later. Because investors they come and they know they like imitations. Because if Mugis they then get Mugis already. You know, now they can't show say you be second Mugis. Because me now they used to call me young Mugis.
For real?
Yeah, school time and before I forget. Before I complete school. Young Mugis. But then I wanted to be professional, so I just had to be original. You get? Yeah, so stay true to your style. No matter how it be, just master them. Learn more. Learn in it every day. We for learn every day.
Nice.
You see, you go get some confidence. It means say I can't cry.
So this is a new song, man. $30,000.
Yes, video.
Plus,
what's the video?
Plus.
Yeah.
On the video. What's the song about before you leave us, man?
Okay, so Duro is a song that speaks about a boy that is under the spell of a beautiful damsel. You know, sometimes hard boy, you know, won't fall, but this particular girl be like, you feel I'm too much. Yeah, they tell
so
him,
a girl you do you so?
No,
before you
nobody do me.
continue,
This one, I just be right
give
there.
a shout out, man. Just give a shout out, man.
No.
Just give her a shout out, bro.
Nobody knows.
Okay. So don't go this.
No, I just be right there. So sometimes I forget.
Okay.
Things.
Yeah. So they gonna put you under a spell. Or the character.
The character.
Under a spell.
Yeah.
Okay. Was it because of a beauty or just?
Yeah. No, the beauty by me like this. It don't be the beauty like that. So if I the rights, I just the rights. I just did in the character.
Okay.
So you get just say some vibe and things because me I fuck with vibe.
Okay.
Yeah. So
okay.
vibe
That
and things,
influences your
everything
music.
makes everything makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're not ready for that thing. And so the second verse I said it. Hard guy they make a man. Something spiritual they for your end. Cheers to your head, down to your leg. Guess I'm a lose some lands to your name. This kind thing no be my kind thing. Hard guy thing no be love kind thing. Do something, baby, do something.
Okay.
Must be like say you don't just me.
But just this not be true story.
No.
Thank you so much for coming through, man. So it's out. It's all on YouTube.
Yeah, it's out on
Please
all
find
platforms.
it. Please get the music.
Yeah,
Please support it, bro. I'm
man,
so proud of you.
Thanks,
I can't wait to talk to you some more this year to see your growth.
Sure,
I know you're going to
sure,
do bigger things.
Amen.
I pray for better things your
Amen.
way.
My
The $30,000 you go come out. And they
no,
go buy me range stuff. I'm like, oh,
worry.
Nanky,
My
come on
mind did,
now.
my G.
Guys, enjoy this. I have to let my brother go.
Yeah,
Please
sure.
keep supporting
Okay,
the
yeah.
artists. Buy the music, get the views up. I
Sure.
always say that's the #1 way to support the artists by buying the music. Have a very wonderful afternoon. Salute.